noticed this path, there's a walking path with the red dirt, and a lot of people just walking barefooted. So whether it has some healing powers, the barefoot path, something it's called. It's got some puddles in places, so it must be good for something. Here you can wash your feet. There's a few shelves there. I assume that's for people to put their shoes.
Take a first shot of this walkway. It's massive. This is just a pedestrian walkway. It's got lifts at the other end which land on an island that runs parallel to the Mekong River, and it goes all the way into the heart of this little suburban area city. Probably about, I don't know, have to be at least 700 meters long, at least. I can just see the end of it over there, way in the distance. We've got the clean-up crew down here today, cleaning up all the litter that floats in around the edges of the inlet. Good to see. Yeah, they must have been. We saw a heap of these blue bags about 5k back, and we wondered what. Yes, could be all sorts of forest debris. Okay.
You're feeling accomplished?
Yes, very accomplished. Very accomplished.
Last stamp on the cross-country bicycle trail.
Yes, very good. What's next?